From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Court issues arrest warrant for VeryDarkMan in Chinwo's defamation case. APC is dead. El-Rufai reveals ministerial appointment under Tinubu government. Now the news in detail. A chief magistrate court in Wuse Zone 6, Abuja, has issued a bench warrant for the arrest of controversial blogger Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan (VDM), over a criminal defamation case by gospel singer Chinwo. Delivering the ruling on Thursday, Magistrate Emmanuel Iyana directed the Nigerian Police Force (NPF) and other law enforcement agencies to arrest VDM and produce him before the court. The court was issued after the activist failed to honor the court summons date March 5, 2025. Despite pleas from VDM's counsel, Deji Adeyanju, who requested an opportunity to personally present his client at the next hearing, Magistrate Iyana declined to vacate the arrest warrant. The prosecution insists that VDM's action violates Section 391 of the Penal Code and Section 21 subsection 1b of the Cybercrime Prohibition Prevention Act 2015. In other news, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, the former governor of Kaduna State, has claimed to know individuals who paid to get ministerial appointment under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) government. He stated that his own ministerial deal was not the reason he left the party, but that the APC had deviated from its founding principles. El-Rufai, who spoke in an interview with BBC Hausa, said it would have been easier for him if the party had sacked him, because that would have saved him from the stress of explaining his exit. He maintained that he did not leave the APC, but rather the party abandoned him and its original ideals. According to him, he did not regret supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's ambition, but admitted to feeling disappointed in the way he had been treated. The former governor further lamented that the APC had become a party where personal interests now dominate governance. El-Rufai added that the key appointments in the current administration were being controlled by a selected group from Lagos, reinforcing his claim that the party no longer upholds fairness and justice. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.